Hi everyone, how are you? Today in this lecture video I wanna show you how to convert video to mp3. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to convert your videos to mp3 files, simply follow my steps. As you can see here, we have video 1. Okay. And I want to convert this video to mp3 file. Okay. First of all, go to your browser and type Zemzar. As you can see here, the first link. Okay, it's a website to convert everything. As you can see, PDF to Word, PDF to Excel, etc. Okay, here guys, select add files to add your video file. That's it, my video 1. This one I want to convert to mp3. Click open. Okay, here guys, type convert type. I want to convert to audio format here to mp3 file. Okay, now click convert now. Okay, wait a moment. It's totally free. Okay, it's finished. Now click download to download this mp3 file. Okay, I will click download. Okay, desktop, I set the destination, save, start download. Okay, it's finished, close. Okay, let's test this file, mp3 file. As you can see, it's mp3 file. Double click. That's it. That's it guys. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.